Hey Glow fam, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you two magical creams. A day and night cream using aloe vera that will completely transform your skin. Say goodbye to dullness, open pores, dark spots, and uneven skin tone. And say hello to radiant, glowing, spotless skin. I've personally seen results in just a few weeks. And the best part? These creams are 100% natural, chemical-free, and budget-friendly. And trust me, every single ingredient in these creams is carefully chosen for its incredible skin-loving benefits. And also, it looks very simple, but it has dramatically improved complexion, minimized my pores, gives that incredible, healthy glow and visibly reduced dark spots. So don't skip any part of this video. I'll walk you through every ingredient, explain why it works, and give you application and storage tips. Are you ready to glow up? Let's begin. Hey my beauties, a little like, a quick share, and a sweet subscribe. That's all I ask if you enjoy this skin-loving journey with me today. DIY Aloe Vera Day. Cream purpose: lighten complexion, reduce tan, shrink pores, keep skin soft and oil-free during the day. First up, let's create our refreshing day cream. This one is formulated to give you that immediate fresh glow, help minimize the appearance of pores, and keep your skin protected and hydrated all day long. Alright, let's dive right into the magic. Our superstar ingredient, the foundation for both of these incredible creams, is of course aloe vera gel. Take a 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel in a clean bowl. Rich in enzymes and vitamins that soothe and hydrate, tightens pores, improves texture, reduces acne. Aloe vera is an absolute powerhouse for your skin. It's packed with vitamins, enzymes, minerals, and amino acids. It's incredibly soothing, powerfully anti-inflammatory, helps to heal and repair the skin, significantly reduces redness, and provides deep, lasting hydration without ever feeling greasy. It's the ultimate base for healthy, happy, and balanced skin. Next, 1 tablespoon of rose water. Rose water balances skin's pH, adds glow, keeps skin fresh. Rose water is a natural toner. It helps balance your skin's pH, reduces redness, and gives your skin a lovely, subtle glow. Plus, it has mild astringent properties that can help tighten pores. Mix it well. And next, 1 tablespoon of glycerin, natural humectant that draws moisture and softens skin. Glycerin is a humectant, meaning it acts like a magnet for moisture, drawing it from the air into your skin. This gives your skin an incredible plumping effect, making fine lines less visible and effectively helping to minimize the appearance of large pores by keeping the skin deeply hydrated and supple. Mix well. Now we are moving to our next ingredient. Spoon of almond oil, packed with vitamin E, improves skin tone and fades blemishes. This is a wonderful, lightweight oil, rich in vitamin E. It's easily absorbed, deeply moisturizes without feeling heavy, helps to subtly even out skin tone over time, and is non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores, which is essential for a day cream. Mix well until fully incorporated, and the mixture turns into a creamy, consistent texture. Storage. Keep it refrigerated. Use within 10 days. After cleansing your face, take a small amount of your aloe vera day cream. Gently dot it across your face and neck. Massage it in using soft, upward circular motions until it's fully absorbed. It absorbs beautifully, leaving your skin feeling hydrated, refreshed, and looking naturally glowing. Ready for makeup or sunscreen. Results: makes skin soft, bright, and dewy instantly. Fades acne scars and prevents darkening in sunlight. Shrinks visible pores with regular use. My dear viewers, do you use a day cream regularly? What's your biggest skincare struggle in summer? Comment below. DIY Aloe Vera Night Cream. Purpose: repair damaged skin overnight, deeply hydrate, reduce dark spots and pigmentation. Now for our powerful night cream. This formula is designed to work its magic while you sleep, focusing on intensive repair, deep hydration, and actively fading those stubborn dark spots to reveal a more even complexion. First, we will take our base 2 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Deeply hydrates, heals, and promotes new cell growth. Our soothing and healing base, preparing your skin for overnight rejuvenation. 1 spoon of vitamin E oil or 1 capsule. Anti-aging hero reduces fine lines, dark circles, and uneven tone. Repairs damaged skin cells. Reduces scars, dark spots, fine lines. This is a potent antioxidant. It's incredible for repairing damaged skin cells, reducing the appearance of scars, and protecting your skin from environmental stressors. It also helps to naturally preserve our cream. This is crucial for improving overall skin complexion. Next, moving to spoonful of coconut oil. Natural moisturizer and antibacterial. Fades, marks, and plumps skin. Deep moisturizes and nourishes skin. Helps lighten pigmentation and reduces inflammation. Coconut oil provides deep, rich moisturization. It's known for its anti-inflammatory properties and helps to repair the skin's barrier. It locks in moisture, ensuring your skin stays hydrated through the night. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. Kasturi turmeric preferred. Antibacterial, brightening, anti-inflammatory. Lightens scars and gives natural glow. Turmeric is an ancient secret for glowing skin and evening out complexion. It contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that actively brightens skin and significantly helps to reduce pigmentation and dark spots. Remember, less is more here. A tiny pinch is all you need to avoid any staining. Mix, mix, mix until completely smooth and the turmeric is perfectly dispersed. See how it changes the color slightly, but is evenly blended. Storage. Store in a cool, dry place. Lasts for 10 to 12 days. After thoroughly cleansing and toning your face, take a slightly more generous amount of your aloe vera night cream. Apply it evenly to your face and neck. Gently massage it in, allowing your skin to deeply absorb all those nourishing ingredients. Wake up with soft, smooth, and glowing skin. Results: reduces pigmentation, dark spots, acne scars, boosts skin elasticity and hydration, works overnight to brighten and repair the skin. Are you more of a day or night skincare person? Tell me in the comments. Visible results: within 7 to 10 days of regular use. Skin feels smoother, brighter, and more even-toned. Visible reduction in dark spots, pigmentation, and tan. Open pores shrink and dullness disappears. Tips for best results: always apply to clean skin. Use sunscreen after day cream. Do a patch test before full use. Store properly and keep the lid closed tightly. So are you ready to embark on your own skin transformation journey with these incredible DIY aloe vera day and night creams? If you try this recipe, Please come back and share your amazing results in the comments below. I absolutely cannot wait to hear how these creams work their magic for you. 2 simple creams that can completely transform your skin using the power of aloe vera and a few natural ingredients. Say goodbye to expensive chemical creams. Go natural, go glowing. If you try this recipe, don't forget to comment your results, like the video, share with your friends. Subscribe for more glow-up beauty content. Until next time, stay glowing, stay confident.